This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy puts on Thinkorswim. First, understand that a put option gives you the right to sell an underlying asset at a specific price, known as the strike price, before or on a certain date. This strategy is often used when you anticipate a decrease in the asset's value. We'll start by locating the options chain within the Thinkorswim platform to begin your trade. Once you are in the Thinkorswim platform, navigate to the Trade tab and enter the symbol of the stock or ETF you wish to trade. Below the stock chart, you will see the options chain. Select an expiration date that aligns with your market outlook. Then, ensure the chain is displaying put options, typically found on the right side of the options table. To initiate your order, click on the ask price of the specific put option you want to buy. This action will automatically populate an order entry ticket. Carefully review all the details, including the symbol, strike price, and expiration. Adjust the quantity of contracts, select your desired order type, such as a limit order, and set your preferred price before proceeding. Before submitting, double-check all the information on your order ticket to ensure it is correct. After submission, you can track the status of your put option order and manage your open positions in the Monitor tab. Here, you can see your profit or loss and decide when to close your position by selling the put or make adjustments to your trade as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.